Suede passing, Suede getting killed in jail.
Okay, yeah. Check this shit out.
You got the bad news in jail.
Me?
More bad news.
When I know exactly, because, man, what's fucked up is that they posted that letter, right? And my girl read me that letter, and I was like, damn, like.
His girlfriend's letter that she wrote.
Yeah. I didn't want to say, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. And my girl, she's like, damn, baby, like he wasn't in there for a fucking month. And I was like,
that's fucked up.
and I was just like, what the fuck? Like, Slash, my manager Slash, is the one that sent it to me. Because I just woke up, I was in prison still. I just woke up and shit, I just turned on the phone. I go on my DM and I click in and I got hot. I was like, hey, fool, don't be sending me stupid ass shit, bro. Like, good fucking plan, man. And he's like, hey, no, fool, like, this shit really did happen. Good. And I clicked on it and it said everything in detail. I was like, nah, man, like right before he went in, he DM'd me. He's like, hey, bro, because I was about to come home before I caught that little time, you know? He's like, hey, bro, we're gonna lock in, because I was in reception with Polo, Godfather Polo, his boy. I was in reception with him. Like I'm telling you, like we would be kicking in that yard talking about, hey, fool, when we go home, we're gonna be doing this music and shit. And in my head, I'm just like, yeah, bro, because I don't know what the fuck was what I had. I didn't know. In my head, I'm just like, bro, I'm just a gang member, you know what I'm saying? Like, down, so like, I'm just like,
You're like, if I go home.
If I go home. No. If I go home. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like, I can't catch me one time. And I was like, man, most likely I'm gonna max out. And I did. To be honest, I was supposed to be home because I had time served. I had 4 years, 8 months, right? I was already in the county for almost 2 years. And I had pretty much that much credit. Well, you know, no, I'm gonna take it back. I was just supposed to